Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name's Anisa, and don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, share, and ring the bell. Everything I have a link to will be linked to down below in the description, and let's get right into the video. So, as promised, I have the Beetles video, and you guys, this kit, sorry for the smoke alarm beeping, but you guys, this kit is amazing. So, here I am showing you what it comes with. It comes with a bag of tips. These are full cover tips. These are plastic. Comes with a little lamp, and it's called nail glue gel. It's a gel. Some people think it's just like regular glue, but it's not. You have to cure it. That's what the lamp is for. Yes, I have my big lamp out so I can give it a full cure afterwards. And there I was just testing the little thing, the little lamp. I have it plugged up to my laptop. That's how I was using it. I ended up buying a little thing for it though. I'll show you guys later. Well, like later, not in this video, but yeah. So here I am sizing my hand, and my hand was messed up in this video. Still, the day I recorded the haul video, I think I recorded this. So yeah. One thing I did notice was the 0 and the 1s were mixed together. So the 1s bag was like a little light. Like, it still had like the same amount of tips as the other ones, but there was 1s mixed in with the 0s. But it just didn't, I don't know what they did. But they mixed up the sizes, okay? And so all you want to do is match these from sidewall to sidewall. And just make sure it fits good. Don't get one that's too small. Don't get one that's too big. If there's one that's too small and the one next to it is too big, go with the one that's too big and just file it on the side so it can fit you and shape it around the cuticles. I will show you what I do to make these last. I will show you guys after I'm done with them, like fresh. And then after 13 days of wear, technically 14, because today is the 25th that I'm recording this voiceover. So yeah, I've worn these for 14 days. I recorded this on July 11th. So yes, you guys, a long time ago. These weren't very hard to size, but I noticed that if you don't put enough gel, they have a slight curve to them, like they curve down, and I don't like that at all. So I went ahead and made sure I added enough gel to make sure they're sitting up straight. But before we even get into that, let's get into the prep. On the kit, it just tells you to remove the shine from your nail and push your cuticles back pretty much. And I don't trust it. And I think someone did only do that and it lasted for 2 weeks, you know, same amount of time pretty much, but it all varies from person to person. And I haven't had my nails done in a while. Sorry for my hair getting in the way, but I haven't had my nails done for a while, so I knew I was going to need more. So what I did was go around my cuticles with a cuticle bit. It's just a fine one. I don't remember the exact one that I used. It's probably the one from the haul, so I'll link that little kit, with a little set I should say, down below. Here is my sanding bands, and I'm still using my AZ Go-Go drill, and underneath me I have blue shop towels. Amazing, use them for everything. This is before I got my dust collector, as you can see, and I'm just removing the shine from my natural nail as you would with like a hand file. Be very gentle and don't file the nail down too much, just remove the shine. So you really would want to keep these press-on tips away from the dust. So you will see me get my manicure brush and go ahead and dust off the nails and dust off the tip just a little bit. Yeah, there I am. But overall, keep them dust free. You don't want anything trapped in there. And I'm using alcohol to just cleanse the nails and dehydrate them a little bit. I didn't go in with a primer or anything. It doesn't really need it because it's base coat gel pretty much, but thicker. So you literally like you don't need a primer with it. You don't need a base coat with it. You don't need anything. You can put one if you like. Here I am, like, triple checking the instructions because I want to make sure I was doing it right. Okay, and I wanted to make sure, just like the lady had it in the picture, I wanted to do it that exact same way. And here I am, and like I said, I used a little bit more of the gel than I was technically supposed to. I get the hang of it after a while, so I watched a video of someone doing the Apres nails like way before this, and I saw that the tech that did it, she was like you could put a layer of gel, like of the nail glue gel, on your finger first and then put the tip on and like help it like adjust and all that. But what I saw her do, if I'm remembering it right, was put some on the tip, slide it down the nail a couple of like one or two times, and then place it on slowly, pushing it down slowly so you get all the bubbles out, right? So yes, that's what I was doing, and it worked pretty well. This was not very difficult to do at all. Like, it's actually really fast and really easy to do. This was my first time doing anything like this, and like I said, my mom wanted it, so I went ahead and bought it and tried it on myself first. So I knew how to use it and what to do with it, and you know, all that stuff to figure out, okay, what could go wrong, what could happen, all that stuff. So here I am curing it. As you saw, I'm using my little Macart brush to clean up around the sides of my nail from the spillage. But it's okay if you cure it, because I'll show you how to fix it if you cure it on the like sides or the top, like it spills over and you get on the top or the bottom of the nail. So yeah, it's not very difficult to fix, and you really only need the gel to cover your natural nail, and that's it. I didn't etch the inside of these tips, literally nothing. But this is just like a free little canvas. You can go ahead and put gel polish on top like I did and design it from there and keep it moving. You could put poly gel, acrylic gel, like literally anything. You could do the lazy girl method with this or the Femi Beauty method. Literally anything you want to do, you can do. Yes, it's a little light. It doesn't have an off button, which is okay with me, but you want to make sure you have the light on your nail ready to go before, like, you see, I was feeling the fantasy already. Like, with just those 3 nails, I was like, okay, I can do this. Like, and I don't want to say it's easy to do your other hand, but I feel like it's going to be easy to do your other hand. I haven't done my other hand. I literally just worn this whole time, and I've done literally everything with this hand. And like I said, I'm having issues with my like ring finger and pinky, so it even lasted through that. As you see, I cut these nails down severely later on, which it says to do. So I literally follow the instructions to a T, except for the prep. The prep, you're gonna want to do more, I feel. Like, do your regular prep you would always do for any other extensions, okay? Like, do your cuticle work, all that. So what makes it easier also, because like I said, my pinky and my ring finger were messed up, is to put it on the little lamp first and like smooth it out that way. It's easy. Like, I love this lamp. It cures very well, and I never got a heat spike. The first time you told me to take it away, I was looking for the Macart brush. So yes, this was amazing, and like, look how fast it was. I did go in for a full cure like later on. So this is them with just a little lamp, and that was it. So like, these nails are stunning. If I didn't type all day, I would leave them at this length. That's pretty short for me, but this is super short for me, okay? This is super short. And here I am showing you guys the Beetles Chrome kit, I think it's called. Yeah. So I have that out too. And you guys, these chromes are so gorgeous. I love them. I wish I could use them on like everything. this kit was pretty affordable too. But before you do any nail art, any gel polish, anything, when you're using something like press-ons or anything like that with like regular glue, this gel, literally, you want to remove the shine first. With just a buffer is fine. Like, you don't need anything crazy, just a buffer is fine, because the gel polish will peel off. The regular polish will peel off. Anything you put on top will peel off. So here I am making the cuticle area flush to the nail, and it needs very minimal filing. That's why I used the same sanding band from earlier, because you literally, and I overfiled like a little bit too at that. So you need very, very, very little filing. And this is how you get up all the gel. You could go in and reshape the nails at this point if you needed to or if you wanted to. But these nails, wait for them to dry, right? So I think right here, I go in for a full cure just to make sure. I could have put the base coat on at this point, but I wanted to go for a full cure, and it's just 60 seconds, just really quick, and the tips turned white because I used alcohol. And this has never happened to me before, but I realized it real quick, like, oh, it's the alcohol making it turn white. So I just buffed it off for the first couple ones, and then I got bored of that, so I just went ahead and went in with some more alcohol, waited for that to air dry, and boom, no more white. So now I'm going in with Beetles base coat, which you really don't, well, I recommend a base coat if you're doing gel polish. So it doesn't come in the kit is what I was trying to say. It doesn't come in the Beetles kit, but any base coat is fine. And because it's on like the little tip, it doesn't matter if you like mix systems or anything. So I'm using the Beetles base coat, but I'm going to use a Modelones gel polish and not a Modelones top coat, and a Beetles top coat. So it's okay because it's not touching my skin. And again, you want to go in with your cleanup brush and clean up anything that got on the skin. Sorry, there is going to be like a lot of talking through this video, but I feel like it's easier to explain than me just leave the video and music playing, because this is something I haven't shown on my channel before, and also it was the first time of me doing it. So hopefully I can give you guys some tips while you're doing it, because like it's very easy for you to figure it out, but at the same time it's easy for you to make a mistake and get confused, like you put the base on correctly but the polish is peeling off. So just things like that. And I didn't know what color I wanted. I made my little sister choose for me, and here I was deciding on, like, because she handed me a blue, and I was like, no, that's not what I was going for. And then she handed me Modelones. I think this was, yeah, this was 21. This is color 21. I don't know why I had the little Savvy Lane kit out, but yes, this color is gorgeous. And I didn't know if I wanted it on all my fingers or not, so I went ahead and cured it on the thumb. And I was like, this is perfect. So I went ahead and used it for all my fingers. Again, this is Modelones number 21, and it comes in the white bottle set. I think it's like a set of 24 or 22. That will be linked down below in the description, as well as my lamp. I don't even know how I remember number 21, but like literally I was checking this, like this color, like every single day, because I was like, this is gorgeous. And the color completely changes once you use the chrome on it. It's like no longer this color. Like I would just leave this color like this, leave it either glossy or matte, and like keep it moving, but had to be extra. Also, as you're gonna see in like the thumbnail and all that, there's bling on it, but I didn't adhere the bling yet because the Beetles bling kit didn't come in yet, because I didn't know it existed. I've heard of it, but I didn't know that was a kit that people were using. I found someone that was using it. I don't remember their channel either, sorry about that, but yes, I used that as well, and it just with the chrome, it works so well. So yeah, I recommend that kit. That'll be linked down below in the description as well. And I couldn't decide on which chrome to use because obviously these nails are on the pinkier side. So I wanted to see if I put this on, will it transform the nail? And I did technically use these chromes wrong, but I got the correct results. And what was interesting for me was I didn't get a heat spike throughout this whole process. And usually when I use any type of gel, I get a heat spike. So I don't know what it was, if it was the lamp, if it was the gels, I have no clue. So there's that. But you guys, this kit is amazing. Like I said, it's lasted me 13 days. And it just now started like looking like I need a fill today. So that's really good for me. And I'll just probably do like a redesign because I'm kind of tired of looking at this. But yes. And I never thought I'd be the person to say that ever, because usually I would just leave it on for eternity and never take it off. But I went ahead and I even put some of this iridescent one over that one just a little bit to see what it would do. And the way you're supposed to use this is cure top coat for 30 seconds, put the chrome over it, you know, whatever color you're doing. You already did that, cured it properly, 60 seconds or however long you need to. Put the top coat on, 30 seconds, rub in the chrome powder, go ahead and put some more top coat over it, cure it for the correct amount of time. That's it. That's how you're supposed to use this kit. I just cured the color fully, 60 seconds. It had a little tacky layer on it. Put it on the tacky layer, rubbed it in, and it's still on. So I think I'm good with that, but maybe you should try and do it properly or however you choose to do it. But that just worked for me. So here I am dusting off the nails from the excess chrome powder. It came with the brush, but I lost it somehow. And now I am top coating the nails with Beetles top coat. And yes, if I get any like chrome on the brush, I just go ahead and wipe it off and it gets it all out. So after I do this, I cure it for 60 seconds, but they recommend you cure it from 90 to 120 seconds. And that will be all. So thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed. Stay tuned to see the fresh pictures, like when I first did the set, and then my after 13 days before, well, after 14 days technically, before I change the set out. So yes, I really recommend this kit. If you're thinking about getting it, get it. I know it's $19.99, but you should get it while it's $19.99 because they keep raising and lowering the prices. So yes, be aware of that. And here I am wiping off all the chrome from my nails, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.